Hey everybody, it's Ross here from Tait Real Estate, and this is Jamie. Welcome to another edition of Thirsty Thursdays. Recently we put out a bit of a poll on Instagram asking people to give us their Best Buy request. And thanks to Ashley Hill, who said she wanted to see us make a traditional, from scratch, Pina Colada. So that's what we're doing. Jamie,
Cool.
what do we got here?
So, blender, half full of ice, got some coconut milk, put in about half a cup. It's pineapple that's just in a can. We also got chunks of pineapple. You can use that, but just use a little bit less ice. And we're gonna use gonna use a whole can of pineapple with the juices.
On a very pineapple-y.
Very pineapple-y. Perfect.
And then to sweeten it up a bit,
I'm also going to add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar, just because this pineapple can be not as sweet as I would like it to be.
and the rum we're going to use today is an Amber Rum. You can use a white rum, whichever you like. What are we going to put in here?
About 4 ounces,
2, 3,
roughly.
About 4 ounces. Is that about right?
A little bit, I think a little bit more.
A little more.
Yep.
There, that's boozy.
Good. Perfect.
Okay, now we're going to blend it up. All right, it's all blended up. Okay, pour that in. Now, if you wanted to make coconut milk, obviously, it's got it's a little heavy, so open this up. I'm not sure why you'd want to, but if you did, you could use gin instead of rum, and you could use tonic water instead of coconut milk, and that would be gin and tonic. If you want to go original, you gotta go with the coconut milk. All right. That's beautiful.
Look at that. And it's paper straw, not plastic.
Okay, let's give it a go.
Cheers. So sugar, but it's pretty good.
Not enough pineapple, I don't think.
Maybe a bit more rum.
More rummy.
That's pretty good.
More pineapple.
That'll do it on a hot day.
Well, thanks to Ashley for this.
Cheers.
Cheers.